Review Jai Labs Patchouli Essential Oil. When things are not going well, you feel depressed, stressed, and suffocating all the time, you can undoubtedly rely on this essential oil. Nowadays, mental illnesses are dominating our health that has hardly any effective treatment. But trying this oil as a regular massager or moisturizer on your skin can bring back your relaxation and peacefulness in mind. Plus, it's an effective relaxing oil to treat your sleeplessness or insomnia. Not only the essential oil has this therapeutic benefit, but it also fights against acne, dandruff, dry skin, and other hair loss factors. Plus, you will see visible changes in your dark spots, blemishes, and redness in your skin. Patchouli oil for hair and skin is genuinely a lifesaver to get back to your beautiful skin. It can be tough to get pure patchouli oil that simultaneously works for mental health, skin, and hair. But you can get it right here from Jai Labs. Prominent facts to like the brand. Get healthy skin and hair. Say goodbye to sleeplessness, stress, anxiety. Welcome back to peacefulness in mind. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.